Nauria Pakhanglakpa Constituency Block Congress Committee today held a sit-in protest demanding disqualification of 12 MLAs who were appointed as parliamentary secretaries by the present government. The committee said the appointment was unconstitutional. The protest was staged at Mikola Bazar Community Hall. A leadership development training course organized by Asha Kamal Agro Private Limited concluded today at Langthapal Lep Mayai Lekai. Speaking at the event, Managing Director of Asha Kamal Agro Private Limited, Ajit Kumar Hairang Khongjam, suggested that instead of burning the haze after harvest, farmers must utilize the haze in mushroom cultivation. Ajit Kumar added that the step will help production of mushroom in large scale and increase income. Protesters opposed to Myanmar's military coup defied bans on big gatherings to extend the largest demonstrations in more than a decade today, chanting and confronting police who fired water cannons and arrested more than 24 people. A media report said that the February 1st coup and detention of elected civilian leader Aung San Suu Kyi has brought 4 straight days of protests across the Southeast Asian country of 53 million and a growing civil disobedience movement affecting hospitals, schools and government offices. Myanmar police fired water cannon at peaceful protesters in the country's capital, Naypyidaw, for a second day as the crowd refused to disperse, video posted on social media showed. Roadside Vendors Welfare Association is miffed over the failure of the Manipur government to build a temporary market complex in Imphal. The association also expressed displeasure over turning of the proposed site of the market to a waste dumping ground and a parking lot. Angry residents of Oinam Sawompung Lefrakpom Lekai under Lilong constituency have banned any kind of road repair work in the locality following the concerned agency ignored repeated requests from the residents to repair the road. Tamenglong Battalion of Assam Rifles under the 22nd Sector Assam Rifles IGAR East reached out to children of childcare homes run by Indigenous Women and Children Foundation IWCF Tamenglong during a program. SMVSM IGAR East Major General Ranjit Singh graced the event, during which he interacted with the children on the theme Share and Care. Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Kisan Morcha Manipur Pradesh organized a state executive meeting at Kuki Inn in Babupara today. President in charge of BJP Manipur Pradesh, BJP Kisan Morcha Manipur Pradesh President, Manipur and Nagaland BJP General Secretary Organization Abhay Kumar Giri and BJP Kisan Morcha Manipur Secretary in charge KH Basanta Singh were present in the meeting. Mizoram will blacklist those irresponsible contractors who fail to do work as per specification, an official said. Media reports said leaders of the Central Committee of Young Mizo Association or CYMA yesterday called on the Chief Minister Zoramthanga in view of the ongoing construction of roads across the state. The meeting observed that many roads being built under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY are not up to the mark because works were sublet to subcontractors. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today spoke to US President Joe Biden. It was the first conversation between the two leaders since Joe Biden took office on January 20, 2021. The conversation between the Indian Prime Minister and the US President was held in the backdrop of a series of messages from American celebrities in support of the ongoing protest by the Indian farmers against the new farm laws, as per a media report. New Zealand is suspending all high-level contact with Myanmar and imposing a travel ban on its military leaders following last week's coup. According to media reports, Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern today said New Zealand will also ensure its aid program will not include projects that are delivered with or benefit the military government.